Hey everyone, welcome to another Vagaro tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over auto-assign bookings. If you want to give your customers a quick option to book appointments, then you can enable auto-assign to your bookings. This will allow people to book appointments without having to select a specific service provider. The appointment will automatically assign a service provider based on the business preference. Now let's get started. Here we are on the Online Appointment Rules menu. To get there, click on the Settings tab. Then on the left side window under Booking, click where it says Online Appointment Rules. Now we'll scroll down until we see the Booking section. Toggle on this button labeled Auto Assign Employee when booking. Now, below we select how a service provider will be auto-assigned. If we click here, you will get a drop-down menu. You can pick the first available, which means whatever service provider has the available time in their calendar. Website Employee Lineup will pick depending on the lineup you have under your employee settings. Most Open Schedule will pick based on who has the least bookings. Best Reviewed will pick the service provider with the most positive review rating. Finally, you can select by alphabetical order. Once you select an option, make sure to click Save at the bottom right. Now, next time a customer goes to book an appointment, they don't have to select a service provider. They just pick a service, date, and just check out for a quick and easy experience. The service provider that is automatically assigned to the booking will be notified like a normal booking. Now we're all done here. This video was all about using auto-assign bookings on Vagaro. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and comment below. Also, subscribe to the channel to pick up more tips and tricks about the software. Check out the description to follow our social media channels or to start a free trial of Vagaro today.